This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning. Welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. See what the markets have done overnight. They've fallen. We had a nice bounce yesterday. It's trying to give it all back. You can see ES first candle was the highest 55.35. The low 55.02. Big range there. That's 33 points in range. NQ 20.054 all the way down to 910. So that's about 144 points in range. Hey, early morning math is on point today. About 100 ticks there in Kappa. Gold giving it up. Looks like, yeah, about 14 points of range there. Ultra bond tight range. Like a half a point at most. Crude oil rising up. Not sure what's causing that. Up to 84. Gonna be paying at the pump this weekend. And we have about 80 ticks in range on that. Natural gas is coming down, so if you have a car that runs on natural gas, it might be a thing. Just kidding. Anywho, and then of course Bitcoin hanging about 62.7. That's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. Ready to take the NQ as it comes up toward that 100 EMA. Blue candle, but I'm not going to grab it because of that 100 EMA looming there. We will see where we get. Hey, Nathaniel, how you doing? I'm doing pretty good, thank you. So, news this morning, Powell speaking at the Bell at some Europe conference or whatever. And we have the JOLTS job openings report at 10 o'clock. So that's going to be interesting, though, with the Bell and Powell at the same time. Now, tomorrow's a half day of trading, or close early, or whatever you want to say. It closes at 1 Eastern, 1:15 Eastern, whatever. But I wasn't going to stream, but I'm looking at the news for tomorrow, and there's a lot of it, so I think we are going to stream. I guess he's over in Europe. Powell's over in Europe, so he doesn't really care about what's happening in the United States, I guess, because him and Lagarde is speaking. Lagarde, however you pronounce it. So they just don't want anything to be easy for the traders, now do they? As far as I know, everybody is, well, let's see. I believe Wednesday is considered one trading day, and then Thursday and Friday is considered one trading day. Oh, okay. Glad to be able to put those names together. I believe so. I mean, I was confused by it all because I don't understand why they're having a half day tomorrow and then a half day on Thursday. I don't understand the half day tomorrow. Not sure what was up with the CME there. So, but I believe tomorrow. Matter of fact, hold on, let me look. I think it's on their Discord. Someone, I think they got asked enough about it that they posted a notice. Let me look. To be precise, Wednesday, July 3rd, market closes at 1:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a trading day. Thursday's not a trading day. Friday is a trading day. So yeah, Wednesday is being counted as a trading day for Apex. Ooh, popping there. So you should be good. Pops up to 940. Long way to go if it's going to come back today. Got a long way to go and a short time to get there. Gonna watch that NQ run. Hope that works for you. Still rising here, so got through that 100 and then decided to roll. They get posted up like the day of. Like the ones for today, just post it now. What we have for tomorrow is at 8:15 Eastern, US ADP employment change. At 8:30, Canadian trade balance, U.S. trade balance, U.S. initial jobless claims. That's the Thursday thing that usually happens on Thursday. They moved it to Wednesday. And then at 9:45, U.S. S&P services, PMIs for service and composite. And then at 10 o'clock, U.S. ISM services PMI and U.S. factory orders, plus crude oil inventories for anyone that trades crude. Oops. Sitting there. At 9:40. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I'd appreciate. Oops, wrong. No, that's the right one. Appreciate if you would pour that like button. Let YouTube know that you're enjoying the stream, so it recommends it to other people. Still rising up here. Ooh, nice little candle there. I should have taken that one up to the little blue one there that bounced on two different EMAs. Next one. Next. Rises up to 950. Still rising up. Trying to get through 950. So, missed that one. Hopefully we'll get the next. So far, but I mean, we had this nice little uptrend that started before we started streaming. It's gone up about 40 points, 35 points. How are we all doing out there? Let's wake up this morning. It's because it's a holiday week. Rising up. Slow grind. Can't get through 950 so far. ES hanging around 55.12. Dow's on an uptrend as well. Crude oil's rising up. Everything's kind of rising up right now. Everything's a little happy. Even Ultra Bond. Gold's trying to bounce. So when I say gold's rising up, it just bottomed. See if that continues. You see crude here, new high day. It's 84, getting above 84. It's the first time it's done that in quite a while. We can see hasn't been at 84 since March 19th. I'm sorry, April 19th. Still rising. Still rising. No, it's not. I thought we were getting a blue candle there, but maybe we are. Maybe we are. That's a very tiny blue candle. I don't know if I want to trust it. Morning, Speed Racer. How are you doing? How's the trading been going? Excuse me. It's kind of hanging here right now. Oh, purple. Kind of like purple. I like purple. See if that purple gets to that 9. Try it with a really tight stop. Looks like it's going to bounce on the 9. It's a 4-point stop. Well, break or bounce? 3-point. No, it's a 3.25 point. Whatever that size. Yeah. Stopped out. Yeah, 4. It was 4. 3.5. So it's okay. Pop back up. Still just watching and waiting here, hanging just above 950. Not a lot going on right now. Took that stop. That was just a stupid trade, honestly. I didn't wait for the break of the 9. Oh, John, how you doing? Did you catch up on any sleep? Now it's coming down. I was kind of right. And I mean, 51 up to 58 and then down. Acting like you're a teenager again, John, huh? Life is meant to be enjoyed, so enjoy it. Bouncing again here. I thought it was ready to come down. Guess it's not. Guess it's not. Nah, excellent. Easy for me to say. Excellent, John. Excellent. So Alpha Futures launched yesterday. MyFundedFutures announced their new plans yesterday. I have a video coming out about MyFundedFutures new plans after the stream today. One of the longest videos I've ever done. I need to start figuring out how to make my videos shorter. It's a 23-minute video. Popping up. My number one is probably not most people's number one. My number one is Blue Sky. After that, it comes kind of muddled. My top 5 in no particular order is Blue Sky, Topstep, Bulenox, Apex, and MyFundedFutures. This revamp of MyFundedFutures may put them in the top 3. I ding MyFundedFutures because of their crap talking and things like that. But I mean, this might be their new starter plans might be the best plans in futures. And honestly, they should have stopped naming it starter. What do you mean they only have 2 accounts, Nathaniel? They got a 25, a 50, and 100K intraday, and they got the static growth and static growth plus in the statics. Oh yeah, right. Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. I didn't. Yeah, yeah. I apologize. I misread that. Um, yeah. But I mean that's like that static growth. You can get up to 30 contracts if you continue to show that you deserve more contracts. I mean, my funded futures is 3. Most of the ones that put you on a live account is going to be 3 or 5, and even if they give you like 5, live sim accounts, once they put you on live, they usually consolidate you into one account. I mean, right now it's blue sky because no one else has their static out. Um, I've heard that MyFundedFutures isn't going to be bringing their static back anytime soon. Uprofit statics are good when they have them out, but they only have them out for a few weeks a year. I mean, ETF and Apex have statics, but they have low drawdowns. Now, ETF is 70% off, and that includes the diamond hands. So that's a what is? I can't remember if that's a static or I don't know. I can't remember if that's a static or not. That's the one you can swing trade. Took this purple candle here. See if we get a drop. Yeah, I wish more people would do, more companies would have statics. That said, I mean, once you get above a certain level, any count on any prop, it becomes static. Topstep talked about Michael Patak like 6 months ago talked about bringing statics out for Topstep. I don't know if that went anywhere. Wow, did that just get within a tick of my target? It did. Come on. Twice. Really? There we go. Target hit. There's our win. Yeah, he talked about it on Top Step TV. Wasn't a real long, he just mentioned it in passing more or less, but it was mentioned. Oh, excuse me. Uh, I don't, but I mean, I could potentially work on that this weekend. I have a bunch of videos I want to start getting done, so I can. Excuse me, 1 second. Comes down to that EMA and bounces. I said, Nathaniel, if I don't get that video done before you're ready or whatever, I mean, I'll try. But always feel free to ask me questions on the Discord. See, videos themselves are easy to do. The actual recording of them, it's the making of the slides. Like the MyFundedFutures video that I've coming out today has like 40 slides. So that took me like 6 hours to make. So if I could just like record without having to make the slides, uh, things would be good. So, cycling back to your question, John, if you ask me which prop firm if someone brand new asked me which prop firm they should join right now, I would say if they believe, they're at a spot where they almost always pass evals, I would say Blue Sky. And if they're iffy about it, then I would say Topstep because Topstep's cheaper if you're going to be failing evals. Before you pass, before you get to funded. Those would be my top two recommendations. Although now MyFundedFutures pops up, and then if it's somebody that's maybe still struggling, then I would recommend Bulenox and their $25 or $30 accounts, because it's cheap practice really. And if they do get funded, it's a good company to continue with, even though there's few more rules. At this point, I really believe I've dropped Apex to number 5, which is amazing because they were number 1 in my book for over a year, I would say. But right now the fact that everyone's having to worry about whether they're going to get paid or not if they did something that's going to get them denied really takes the shine off of them. Yes, Blue Sky allows algo trading. Blue Sky allows any type of trading as long as it's not against the CME's rules or brokerage firm rules. They allow anything. Now, algo's a ninja trader, but you will on funded. You'll need to use the CQG Trade of 8 feed for Ninja Trader. Morning, Chris. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I mean, Bulenox. I would suggest Bulenox over Apex at this point. I have never heard of anyone being denied payout on Bulenox. So if you want to go that route, where you want a bunch of accounts, Bulenox allows 11 versus Apex is 20, but a lot less hassle at this point. Purple candle there, it hits that 20. I didn't take, I mean, 100 EMA. I didn't take it because of that. See if it continues down. So far we're 1 for 2, but the loser was bigger than the win. I mean, the winner was bigger than the loser. So as long as I continue doing that. And it worked. The purple candle worked there. You can see why I didn't take it. How it's looking here, you know, let's blow this up. This came down to the 100 EMA, bounced. This kind of went sideways. This came down again. It could have been a bounce, but it worked instead. So continues on. Alpha futures launched yesterday. Their prices aren't great. They're bringing a lot of Forex people in the futures. I have a feeling you're going to see their prices get better. But we'll see. They're not horrible, but they're not beating Topstep, put it that way. Still falling. Low a day was on the last hourly candle at 910, so we're not far from there. Possible blue candle bounce here though. Let's see. No, blue candle went away for now. Yeah. I think I'm going to record a video today about my thoughts on the state of the industry. Remember, we have Powell coming up at the bell for less than 45 minutes. Yep. Maybe I'll even put my face on the thumbnail. How you doing, JJR? You'll get that back. Just don't, if it starts getting deeper, don't go digging a huge hole. Gold in that nice rise up. So you see gold bounce there nicely. It's now about mid-range. Q bounces off that 100 EMA back down. Kind of stagnant here as the NQ decides if it wants to go down or up. Or just stay sideways. You never know. Still just kind of trying to figure out what it wants to do. Nice blue candle there, though. Again, we're running into those EMAs, but yeah, it just pushed right through them. They're like, EMAs? What EMAs? Sorry, didn't mean to yawn in y'all's ear. So, who's trading tomorrow for the half day? Hey, Sid, how are you? Wait, after tomorrow? Remember, we have non-farm payrolls on Friday. I'm not sure if that tickles your fancy to trade or not. Never see Brooks anymore. I'm imagining him so exhausted he doesn't have the energy to type. Oh, he stopped trading. Oh, that's a shame. You must pay him so much that he just doesn't feel it's necessary. You really should probably pull back on that, Sid. That's a nice trade. Think you should pull it up. I think you should cut his salary in half and tell the other half has to go into the trading account. About ready to the top of the hour here in 45 seconds. Cool. That's cool. Whoosh. Quick whoosh up here at the top of the hour. I always support people becoming swingers. Wow. What caused that little burst? And down. And up and down. It's pulsating. Makes sense. Well, let them know I said hi. Excellent job, JJR. So remember, we have Pal at the bell. So be careful. I need to come up with a Pal meme. I'll have to see whether or not yeah. Mind freeze. Total mind freeze. Testing my AI to see if it allows me to put in somebody's name. Oh, wow. So I'm using a new AI, and it actually allowed me to do Jerome Powell. Wow. Still kind of grinding up here, but now that I know it'll do people too, wow, I could have some fun with this. Oh wow, Sid. Ah, yeah, clean as you go, clean as you go. Always drilled into my head when I worked at McDonald's. Clean as you go. Yeah, try to clean as you go when you're in a lunch rush. $20 till the bell. Oh, I worked at McDonald's a long, long time ago. It's a long, long time ago. Wow. Hard to believe that's 30 years ago. Holy crap. '17 until just before my 21st birthday. So you weren't even alive when I worked at McDonald's. I feel old now. Ace should be joining us soon. No RJ today. He's buying $2,500 of liquor. That's awesome for you. I mean, I so wish that this opportunity had been available to me when I was your age, honestly. You know, but that is wonderful. Bounces here on the 9, little blue candle from Pasadena. 15 minutes till Powbell. Powbell. We need more Powbell. Mind you, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, gore that like button for me. Gore. I can't find my gore. There it is. Nice pop there. So again, the blue candle, and I gotta just start taking them. You can see the blue candle here that rested on the 9 worked for a nice move up. And back here, this same one here, resting on the 9 worked. Even this one here, resting on the 9, worked for 4 or 5. Back then it wasn't moving as much, so going for 4 points would have been good there. Purple candle here is resting on the 9 and the 20, and that worked as well. This one here is but yeah. Here's another one resting on the 9. I just gotta take them. Take them. Oh, to be an American. Sid, are you doing anything for the holiday? Are you letting Brooks have like 30 minutes off to light a sparkler? Crude oil falling now. Ooh, wow. Yeah, look at that reversal on crude there. Got all the way up to 84.38 and then whoosh. Yippers, G-Man. Good morning. Yep, we got Powbell. Wow. You must be quite the vacation spot for birds. Oh. No Ace yet. Where's Ace? We gotta have our Ace in the chat. Got to have an Ace in the chat. Busy. Great job, JJ. There's Ace. Good morning. Trash out. Nice, Sid. Streaming software. Ace, be careful. Pal speaking at the bell, in case you weren't aware. Here is the coops that Sid's working on down on his place, his farm. That doesn't look safe there. He's not wearing any safety harnesses. Just kidding, by the way. Yep, he has 300 birds coming in. Wow. So what's going to be your capacity then, Sid? How many birds total? 300, or are you going higher? Is this heading back up toward 20,000 here as we head toward the bell? In case anyone's ever wanting to follow all the goings on at the Sid Chase family farm, here's his Facebook page to follow what's going on down there. It's actually pretty fun to check out. Good pictures too. Again, by the way, so this was on a blue candle on that 9, and again it would have worked. Again, I reiterate, pal at the bell, be careful. Things could be even more wonky than normal. We definitely didn't need more pal bell. Kind of like that joke. Probably the only one, but I kind of like it. Yep. Even this carnivore thinks the bread looks good. Actually, I love fresh bread out of the oven. Put some butter on it. Oh my God. 5 minutes till the bell. We're coming down a little bit. Purple candle was a signal for me, but we're kind of close to the bell. The Moo on Financial Juice. I don't think I have. No. Oh, sorry. That purple candle would have been beautiful. Juan, hey, long time no see, my friend. How are you? Okay, remember Pal speaking at the bell. How's trading been going? How's everything been going? I'm doing well, thank you. Same, up and down. That's kind of a muted open. Is it waiting for Pal to say something? Popping up a little bit. Nice rise, back up to 20,000. Going for high day. High day is all over 54, so it's got like 50 points to go. See if this might come crashing back down. Look at that rise. Up to 28. Good call on the long there, ace. Pulling back now. Looking for is Powell, any headlines coming from Powell? Not that I see it. Up to 32. Beautiful rise. Now you see we got that blue candle there 2 minutes before the bell. And more I'm seeing that if I get a colored candle before the bell, it ends up going that direction, at least initially. I need to start recording that. Like with a screenshot, not like with taking a picture from my phone. Sorry. There's the pullback possibly. Red candle. See if red turns purple. 42 seconds on it. Worried about taking any trade right now because of Powell. But yet I can't be paralyzed into waiting if my signal hits just because he's doing something somewhere with somebody. There's my purple. Purple nurple. Nice. That's it. Almost called you ace. Sorry. Now, it ended up not being a purple candle, but it would have worked. And I don't know. Well, it would have gave me 10 quick. Gold still rising. Yeah, it would have been nice. I considered it. Wasn't my purple candle, but it was a red candle totally outside the bands. So I probably should have grabbed it for the 10. So down to that 9 EMA, still sitting there, still nothing from Powell, at least not on financial juice that I've seen. Oh, Guard speaking. Maybe Powell speaks after Lagarde. How rude. Lagarde, I don't even know. Ooh, nice little blue candle pop there. Do I trust it? Oh, wow, a big candle, 20. I don't know. I just see the name. I've never actually looked up what the person looks like. Wow, look at that candle. Guard must be saying something that people like. Oh, Powell speaking. We continue to have solid growth, strong labor market. 31 points up on this candle. Double tops. Nope, there we go. It's going for high day. 20,058, I believe I said. ES nearing, well, ES is a little off there, higher up. 55.35 for ES. It's about 5.5 points away. NQ just about at high day at 20,054. It just hit it, just touched it. See if we double top with the high of the overnight. Nice, Sid. Part of me thinks, if this starts coming down, it's the time to short. But the other thing is if Powell just says one thing. Hey, Greg. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking as well. The disinflation trends show sign of resuming. We made quite a lot of progress on inflation. We need to be more confident before reducing policy rates. Who's ever doing the stuff for financial juice? Multiple typos. The data represents significant progress. If labor market unexpectedly weakens, that would also cause us to react. We have the ability to take our time and get this right. The risks becoming much more balanced. And there's another blue candle. Oh yeah, sometimes the market reacts negatively to good things and reacts positively to bad things. What if I often lose my keys? But no, honestly, I love that saying. Ace, I never heard that before, and that's awesome. New high day on NQ up to 20,065. So that blue candle would have worked again and scared a pal. Right after the stream ends today, I have a video coming out about the changes of MyFundedFutures. It's a long video. I would appreciate if y'all watch it. Just let it run through if you have no interest. It's one of the longest videos I've ever done. It's like 24 minutes. Explaining in detail the changes to MyFundedFutures starter plans and why I feel it might be the best plan in futures. Best account type in futures, put it that way. Might be coming back down here. That was a great trade off the 32nd. I'm not sure if I should thank you for that, Sid. Well, I guess I'm a sleeping pill. As long as I get it recorded today, tomorrow I will have a state of the industry, my thoughts on where the futures prop firm industry is at right now. Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's ever been a whole bunch. Honestly, my concern, and we'll adjust this on the video, is the sudden proliferation of all these new props. You know, when I started in props, a couple years ago, there was less than 10. Now there's at least 30. And we saw this explosion on Forex props a couple years ago, and now we're seeing the repercussions of that. Now Forex is more scammy anyway. It's not the right word, but the increased competition's good. Oversaturation isn't, and at least one of these props is going to be started by somebody that has no business sense and is just going to run it into the ground. I don't think anyone's going to, I don't think, anyone's looking to pull a runner or, rug pull or whatever you want to call it. But there's going to be somebody that just doesn't have any, they're going to be in over their head very quickly. And then it's going to fail. So, that's one thought that people should be aware of. Everyone's worried about, a new prop that does a rug pull. I don't think we're going to see that. I mean, it's possible, but there's going to be somebody, if there's 20 new props that started this year, one of them's going to have an owner that just is an idiot. I mean, I shouldn't say idiot. That was wrong. Someone that doesn't have the business sense that or just didn't realize what it took. They thought it was going to be easy, and it's not. Put it that way. Yep, Surge Trader went gone. Ouch, nice on Microsoft. AQ's trying to get at the 2100. Is Powell done talking? I haven't looked. Services inflation is usually stickier. He just said that, so he's not done talking. They're both talking at the same time. Wonderful. They should have to take turns. One then the other, so I know when it ends. I think offering stocks in a prop form is a lot harder than futures because there's so many. I mean, with futures, you have like 60 total assets. Whereas stocks, you're offering, they gotta pick, which ones they want to offer. So they're not going to offer all of them, or at least none that I've seen. Uh, Ace, please. Prop firms are a great opportunity for people. Some people don't want to be stuck with trading one micro for 2 years until they have enough money to trade 2 micros. No, I mean I'm not arguing with you, Ace, and I understand where you're coming from. I just don't think you totally understand how props can be a good thing. Sure. Ooh, tight stop, too tight. Move it. Did I forget to? Yeah, I forgot to change the risk. There we go. That's why. Or did I? Come on down. Target hit. 14 points. I just put my target on the 20 EMA and I got 14 points. No, Ace. And I have tremendous respect for you. I'm not trying to argue with you, my friend. I think you know that. I will. One day, I should probably do a video on why I feel prop firms are the good opportunity that they are. And I mean, I didn't mean to I wasn't chastising you, Ace. I just I have tremendous respect for you, Ace, and so right. Yeah. And honestly, Greg, I mean, they're a good place for people to learn as long as they're going with the cheaper accounts and realize that that's I mean, if you get an Apex account that's $20, it's better than putting $500 into a brokerage and blowing it time after time again. Wonder what happened to that guy. Yeah, but there's no pressure on Sim. At least when you're having a prop account, even if it's just a $20 prop account, whatever, you're have some pressure because even if you think you're never not going to pass it, your brain says you want to pass it. So you're having that. You're at least having some emotion. Sim gives me no emotion. I don't care when I'm in a sim account. It's just like there's no emotion to it. But but you can actually earn money from it. How much money have you earned from sim? How many times have you withdrawn from your sim account, G-Man? I can show you people that have withdrawn six figures from their sim accounts, as you put it. And prop is not all sim. At least half the props have a path to a live brokerage account. I know, but I'm just saying, when you say prop is all sim as well, that's an incorrect statement. Right, but that doesn't mean it's all. Like the MyFundedFutures account, the video that's coming out after the stream. Um, After you make $6,000 in sim, you're moved to a live brokerage account on the 50K account. On the 100K account, it's 12,000. On the 150K account, it's 18,000, or 30 winning days, either or. Topstep, you get moved to live after like 25,000, but it can be sooner. Earn to trade is 5,000. Blue Sky is 3,000. So lots of firms have either a set path to live, or sometimes it's a case by case basis. There are firms like Bulenox and Apex that never put you live, or almost never. But like I said, I mean, Robin, aka For Money, I think she's up over $300,000 and has never been on a live account. Oh, absolutely, Ace. Absolutely. Down they come. 5 minutes till the top of the hour. Is Pal still speaking? Yeah. Restrictive policy working hand in hand with supply. We're seeing the effects of high rates in the housing market. Inflation may get back to 2% late next year or the following year. I love that. Inflation may get back to 2%. In other words, it may not get back to 2% until. No. I love those statements that are like not really a statement at all. JOLTS report coming up at the top of the hour. So remember that does move the market usually. We usually get when we get jolted. So be careful. Hang in here between two EMAs, 20.059. So where are we gonna go when we get jolted? Is Powell still speaking? No headlines from Powell in the last 7 minutes. He might be done. At some point in time, we need to start having like someone watch these press conferences so we know when they're done speaking. Oh, okay. Ace is watching apparently. There we go. There's our jolt. Whoosh! Wow. Shot 63 to 75 and then down to 30 and back up to 52. All within like 10 seconds. Now we're back to where we started. Jolts. Actual 8.14, forecast was 7.95. Whoosh. Gold, big dump there. Wow, gold got up to a new high a day and then dumped. Pulling down. They're all dead, Dace? They're all dead? Oh. We're still kind of icky here, though. So you think they're done then? Are they done? Yeah, no new headlines. I think they're done. Dun 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 dun. Dun. Ace, don't make me smack you. So our high was just under 2100. Try to push back up there now. We're at 20,075. Yeah, I know you were, Ace. Purple. Interesting spot. Excuse me. Little tickle in my throat. Sounds like G-Man is, wait for it, wait for it. Home on the range, home sweet home. Oops. Pops back up. Have a great holiday, Greg. See you later this week. All right. Well, we'll see you next week. Enjoy your vacation or wherever you're going. Short. I'm short micros. Holy heck. 20-point win, I think. No, 15-point win, sorry. 15 points straight down off that purple candle. Wish I did that on a mini, but hey, I'll take it. I'm not quite sure what that was, but I saw that big purple candle on the one here. It was after it touched the 80 on the RSI, got the purple candle. That's a big signal for me, and I just took it. I didn't trust it on doing it on a mini, so I went with the micro. Oh, Powell just spoke again. The budget deficit is very large, and the deficit path is unsustainable. Nice, G-Man. Great job, Sid. Great job. I am up 459 today on this Blue Sky evaluation account. Wish I sometimes talk about just letting whatever happens in the next candle be, if it goes more than my profit target, just let it. And that was a 30-point candle. Excuse me one second. Mic still working? No. Oh, can you hear me now? Okay. Mic stopped working for a second. Nice pop, blue candle. I'm not taking that. It's probably going to go. Yep, it is. It was touching that 9. I just didn't trust it. I should have. Look at that go. So it hated what Pal said, and then now it decided, maybe it's not as bad as it thought. Five-minute chart. 5-minute chart would not be helpful right now. See, it rejected. So, I mean, it went, I was worried about it. It did go 14 points. Now it's kind of trying to reject back down. We are moving now, getting faster. Fast as fast can be. Can't catch me. Sorry. How's everybody else doing out there? JJR, are you still here, or how are you progressing today? All right, Ace. You trading tomorrow, Ace? No, I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna stream tomorrow. There's like 10,000 news reports in the morning, so I'm figuring we'll get enough volume for it to be worth it. You'll get that back, JJR. Taking a long off this blue candle on the whatchamacallit, the one. Oh, nope, rejecting. Maybe. That was a big candle. 16 points. Come on. Get your butt up there. There we go. Come on. I'm not breaking. Maybe now. Let's go try again. Yeah. Took it off for a 3-tick win. I don't know. Didn't like it. Didn't seem to want to go. It's probably going to go, but we'll see. I didn't like the choppiness. Fact that I actually got 3 ticks out of it, though, kind of makes me happy. PA is performance account, but I really like the name for Philadelphia Artworks. Hey, Burrow, that's not bad at all. Yeah, see, now it's going for me there. So I should have held on, but that's okay. It wasn't giving me the warm and fuzzies. So it comes down, bounces back up. Still kind of sideways. Doing great today, Burrow. Cossack, how are you doing? I haven't seen you in a little while. Where you been hiding at? Feeling better, Cossack? Kind of want to short here, kind of don't want to short here. Oh, I missed it now. I was going to take the short on Topstep X, but I missed the move. Oops. Have a great run, Ace. Thank you. See you tomorrow. So just kind of hanging here now, trying to figure out where we want to go. We're up today. I think I only took one losing trade today. Let me look. Yeah, 5 trades today, 4 wins, 1 loss, up 458 right now. Thank you, Cossack. Thank you, JJR. So about 30 minutes left in the stream. Now, originally wasn't going to stream tomorrow because of the half day, but after seeing all the news reports, I will do a stream tomorrow. And Thursday, definitely not streaming, and be back Friday. Plan on trying to put out a video. I mean, I'm going to get a video up for tomorrow. There's one coming out after stream today about MyFundedFutures changes. I hope you'll watch that. Tomorrow I hope to have the state of the industry, in my opinion, talking about a lot of issues that have been going on. Then after that, I don't know, I might do something on the new Earn to Trade TCP 100. I don't really deserve it, but I'll give it a little bit of attention. And I plan to start doing a video series on each prop. The theory, like 5 things I love about Topstep and 3 things I hate. It might be a different number for each one. Yeah. Yes, I do. Took me about 6 hours yesterday to put the slides together for the MyFundedFutures stuff. Yeah. That I don't know, Cossack. I would need to ask somebody. You should ask on the Discord. Not sure who they use. Look at this rise up. Post the link for what, G-Man? Well, I mean, it's this YouTube channel, G-Man. No, it's on this YouTube channel. Same YouTube channel that you're watching this stream on right now.
That's the first time I walked in. It smelled so good. Somebody's out.
Give me a second, G-Man. Uh, This is the playlist for the various stuff I produced, recently. Does not include the one coming out today. And then I do a daily video. Uh, Called the top 5 prop firm discounts. And that's this link. So we are sitting at 20,075. Glad you like that, Cossack. I'm actually coming out of a new format that'll have less pictures and more, and so it'll be easier. Just need to get it rebuilt. Hopefully today, maybe tomorrow. So I think I may need to go silent here for a little bit. I think there's going to be noise behind me. I have a drain clogged, and there's going to be somebody like using a electric snake. So I think I might have to mute for a bit. We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to mute for a while, guys.
Background, there's a stop for now. It probably will continue, but I can talk for a minute. Hanging right on that 9 EMA. Nice purple candle there on the 32nd that would have led to the promised land. Falling. So we got up to 108. It's fallen down to 84.
We're always on the road, it seems like. Yeah, we never. Doing the shop.
Bounces on the 20. Why I didn't take that. Hate that when I see a nice 30-second entry, but I'm trying to focus on the 1 minute. Focus on the 1 minute. About 15 minutes to go in the stream. Kind of liking the short possibility here. I'm late. I'm in on Topstep. Oh, I'm in on micros? I'm in with 1 micro? Ew. Well, I guess I'm not going to lose much. I just jumped in with 4 more micros. Good news is my drain is open again.
I'm sorry?
I've got stopped out on that one. So, not $96 loss there. If I gotten it at the right time, I would have got my 10 points, but I didn't. So, popping up. You can see how much better there this one would have been, but again, I was watching the minute. So again, Q's going to run back up. He's going to try to get back up to 2100. Thank you for those that stuck with me through the muting. Mutiny on the Bounty. Oh, look, that might have been the last ditch effort. This might be a big drop.
We're all done. You guys have a good day.
Okay. Have short off there. Boom. Hits that Bollinger. Let's see if it breaks it. It's not. Ah. Mistake on my part for not taking it when it hit the Bollinger. I took it on Topstep X. That's why you're not seeing it. So I expected a bigger drop, honestly. So looks like it might come right back up. Nice. Yeah, if I had gotten in at the top here, that would have been wonderful. But I waited to the close of the purple, and it only. I mean, it dropped 10 points, but I was expecting a bigger move. So it came up, came down, made a lower high with this blue candle. So I thought we're gonna drop it down low, but instead I'm gonna take the big loss here on 5 micros, which is okay. Back up we go. Bad trading on my part. Coming back down. So a minute, I got it to 105, pulling back down. I am. Can you hear me? Can you not hear me? Can you not hear me? No. Okay. Sorry, I was answering an email about an affiliate payout. Blue candle. Late again as usual. Long on Topstep X. Break of the high. Took a 5-point win. It's probably gonna explode here. Five minutes ago in the stream. Good stream today. Down a little bit on Topstep, but up over 450 on the Blue Sky account. Feel I read the market well today. Didn't take all the trades I should have, which is, that's an everyday thing. And holidays really aren't anything out of the normal for me, except that I don't stream. I'll just be working on channel content and looking at some charts probably and stuff like that. Yeah, John, I originally was not going to stream tomorrow, but there's like news reports dotting the entire morning. So I'm going to stream tomorrow. Yeah, Sid, if I could, I would. Hopefully, my goal is by early next year to be in a place where I can do some traveling. Yep, still continuing to go up. So I should have, I should have held that blue candle. Have yourself a great day, John. It's back. Okay, we've reached the top of the hour. Do you want to thank everyone for joining me today? Great day today. Remember, if you're interested, MyFundedFutures video coming up in 15 minutes. Check it out. See why I think it's the best in futures. And then we'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time, for another great day of trading action. Thank you, everyone, for being here. Have a great day, Sid. See you tomorrow if you have time to stop in. We'll talk to you all later. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.